oh yeah, no, we got in a huge blowout fight. We decided to ignore the first thing. And then she said something else that was stupid. And then I reacted to it, and then she was mad. And then we got in a big fight, and then she slept on the couch. Yeah, and then this morning, I texted her something real nice, being like, I love you, blah, blah, blah. And she's like, I love you, and I want to just, like, focus on the good things between us for now. I'm feeling disconnected, and I just want to, like, enjoy our company together because you're my best friend, and I love you, and I was like, me too. So I came back home, and we made up, and she took me on a cute little date, and now we're just, like, being good, and then we're ready to, like, debrief some of the shit. Yeah, and now I'm having a gay old time at the dog park, which is my favorite place on earth.